Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Tuesday morning forecast update. We've got a lot of weather to talk about again today. We'll be on the cool side here on your Tuesday, so you'll probably want a jacket this morning. We've got a big warming trend that will kick in after today. In fact, we could push 80 degrees by Friday, but Friday we do have another cold front making its way in, likely late in the day, and I do think there's the chance to see maybe some strong to severe storms at some point late Friday, maybe into early Saturday, and then some cooler temperatures for your weekend. So the weather pattern all over the place for the rest of the week here. Today, likely we'll see some clouds around. That will have a pretty big bearing on our temperatures, which are starting out in the 30s this morning across the northern Arklatex. We do have some clouds I-20 and southward, which kind of held our temperatures here in the 40s. Either way, it's cold all corners of the Arklatex, and we're dealing with a little bit of a breeze this morning. The wind's still coming through at about 10 miles per hour, so that's adding a slight wind chill to the temperatures, which is why you'll probably want to have a jacket early today. But eventually the winds will start to die down on us, and we should have some light wind through the afternoon. Look at satellite radar. You can definitely see there's a little disturbance here. It's actually yesterday's cold front, which is stalled out in the Gulf of Mexico. We have some warm air, which is rolling over the front this morning, which is producing some of that rain that's south of us. Right now, I've left our forecast dry today, but there's kind of an outside chance we could see some rain develop here, maybe across the Toledo Bend region. But this rainfall here will send in some cloud cover today. We even have some clouds near the northern Arklatex as well, so it's a tricky cloud forecast today. I think there will be a little more sun here across northeast Texas, which is why we may see a few locations close to 60 in Longview. Shreveport, likely partly to mostly cloudy today. We'll be at 58, and I think partly cloudy in Texarkana at 56. Overcast today in Natchitoches, you'll be at 54 degrees. So look at your Robinson and Featurecast. It's also not showing any rainfall developing today, but you can see the clouds kind of hanging on for dear life there south of I-20. So that's why we think we'll see mostly cloudy skies south of I-20 today. A little more sun here across the northern Arklatex, and then we get into your Wednesday. We've got more sun in the pipeline for the day tomorrow, and our temperatures should jump back into the 60s Wednesday, 70s on Thursday, maybe close to 80 degrees or so on Friday, and we have that next cold front coming in on Friday. Temperature outlook, next 6 to 10 days, you can see much of the country will be dealing with those above normal temperatures, so not anything you'd describe as a heat wave, but unseasonably warm, especially Thursday and Friday. But our next cold front gets here late Friday. We do have a chance of seeing a few showers and storms pop up, maybe as soon as Thursday, and Friday will not be a washout. It appears maybe a lot of the rain will come later in the day. We'll have to just kind of keep an eye on the temperatures. I have a forecast close to 80 degrees or so, but if the rain comes in earlier, it may wind up in the 70s that day, but most of the rain looks to shift to the east once we get into your Saturday morning, so I think we'll salvage the weekend, which will be cooler. And one other note, it looks like we may have a window here, especially with the storms getting here during the warm hours on Friday. We could definitely see a window where we could see some strong to severe storms. I would say maybe Friday evening into Friday night, so just stay up to date with that. There's still a lot of uncertainty with this forecast, but I do think a window for some severe storms late Friday. There's the cooler temperatures through the weekend, but we do have some dry weather most of Saturday afternoon, and I think throughout the day on Sunday.